Right, let's shift our focus now to the national capital, where the air is still toxic, but some people seem to be seeing the silver lining, and there seems to be slight relief for Delhiites as the air quality has moved to the poor category from the very poor category. Many are not calling this an improvement, but this morning's AQI comes as a slight relief as the capital gasps for breath. The overall AQI of the national capital stands at 292, whereas places like ITO, Jahangirpuri, Punjabi Bagh, Sonia Vihar, Wazirabad and RK Puram remain in the very poor category. Believe it or not, the AQI in Anand Vihar has crossed 400, marking an alarming level. This comes after the air quality had deteriorated to the severe category after Diwali, following Diwali celebrations in the NCR region. Meanwhile, in a move to combat pollution, a successful cloud seeding trial over Burari marked a milestone in the capital's battle against tackling pollution. The Delhi government's cloud seeding project, which has been postponed multiple times due to various reasons, that is expected to now happen on the 29th of October, because the Chief Minister of Delhi, Rekha Gupta, has said that Delhi could experience its first artificial rainfall on the 29th of this month. Here are crucial reactions you need to listen to.
दिल्ली के लिए आज एक ऐतिहासिक दिन था। आज एक ऐतिहासिक सफलता प्राप्त की दिल्ली सरकार माननीय रेखा गुप्ता जी की अगुवाई में। क्लाउड सीडिंग जो लंबे समय से बात की जाती थी, आज उसकी पहली सफल ट्रायल दिल्ली में की गई। ये ट्रायल आईआईटी कानपुर ने करी और ये कानपुर से सेस्ना प्लेन के माध्यम से की गई। सेस्ना प्लेन तकरीबन दोपहर के टाइम वहां से टेक ऑफ किया और 3, सवा 3, 3:30 के आसपास मेरठ से अलीपुर से होता हुआ बुराड़ी पहुंचा। बुराड़ी में इन्होंने एक छोटे क्लाउड के ऊपर पैरोटेक्निक्स के माध्यम से ब्लास्ट कराए, फ्लेयर्स को ब्लास्ट कराया। वो फ्लेयर्स की ब्लास्ट से ये कंफर्म हुआ कि ये प्लेन की स्ट्रेंथ क्या है। प्लेन को उस इलाके से वाकिफ किया गया और इस टेक्नोलॉजी के माध्यम से, जो कि नीचे से ब्लास्ट कर बादलों के ऊपर को जाती है और पैरोटेक्निक्स के माध्यम से ये फ्लेयर्स फैलती हैं और ऊपर जाके बादलों से टकराती हैं, जिससे बरसात हो। अब दिल्ली के अंदर 28, 29, 30 तारीख के आसपास, जो कि मौसम विभाग का मानना है कि बादल आएंगे, दिल्ली की सरकार अब पूर्ण तौर पर तैयार है।
Currently, what we are seeing because of the very high or bad AQI is basically the acute effects, and they can be because of people who have underlying heart or lung disease, or who are older of older age group or younger children. In them, we are seeing more of chest discomfort, breathing difficulty, cough. Study we had done many years ago, which was done at AIIMS, showed that when air quality becomes very bad, in the next 4 to 6 days, there is an increase in emergency visits by people with respiratory problems, both children and adults.
My colleague Ishika Verma has been tracking the latest as far as the toxic air in the National Capital Region is concerned. She joins us live with a crucial update at the moment. Ishika, take us through the state of the pollution as far as the NCR is concerned today, and also tell our viewers what exactly happened during this trial of artificial rain in Burari. Were there any results that indicate that this may work on a larger scale?
Well, Parmeshwar, as you rightly mentioned, this is in fact the 4th day after Diwali, and today we can call it a slight relief morning for the residents of the national capital, because the air quality index has now come to the poor category from the very poor category. Now, as per the CPCB data, the air quality index here in the national capital stands at 292. Now, I am currently present near the Vasudev Ghat, and I'd like to show you the visuals that we are getting from here. And if we talk about the different areas, well, there are certain areas like Jahangirpuri, Sonia Vihar, Punjabi Bagh, Bhavana, where in fact the air quality index continues to remain in the very poor category. And the very concerning figure that has come out now is that Anand Vihar, there the air quality index has crossed the 400 mark and slipped into the severe severe category. Now, the Delhi government says that there are various steps that are being taken, which also includes the steps under the Graded Response Action Plan Stage 2. And apart from that, the very ambitious project of cloud seeding, the national capital is prepared for that. And for that, yesterday, the first successful trial of cloud seeding took place as per the Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa, and he said that this entire exercise happened from Burari to Badli, where in fact the salts like dry salts were injected into the clouds using the pyrotechniques, and these the cloud seeding of flares were fired in this entire region. This was done to see the readiness of the aircraft, the Cessna aircraft that is going to be used now for the actual cloud seeding or the artificial rain that, as per the Chief Minister, we are expecting will take place on October 29th if the IMD gives the green signal. So the government says that after the cloud seeding is done, it will actually turn out to be beneficial in lowering the pollution here, the pollution levels here in the national capital, especially for the residents for whom, this has now turned into a health risk. Over to you.
Well, let's sincerely hope so, Ishika. As always, thank you so much for joining us with a crucial update this morning.